Welcome back to another exciting episode, where we break down the numbers and give you the inside scoop on the hottest stocks in the market. Today, we've got a real gem for you, the Kroger Company, ticker symbol KR. Get ready for a deep dive into Kroger's financials and what's cooking in the stock market for this retail giant. Alright, folks, let's jump right into it. We've got a lot to cover, so grab your notepads and pens because this one's going to be educational. First up, we've got the price-to-earnings ratio, or PRTTM, which stands at 12.98. But wait, there's more. Over the last 5 years, Kroger has averaged a PR of 12.22. This is a key metric that tells us how the market values Kroger's earnings. Looking forward, we've got the forward P ratio, which is at 10.01. This metric suggests that investors are anticipating stronger earnings for Kroger in the future. The PG ratio, coming in at 1.62, helps us understand whether the stock is overvalued or undervalued relative to its growth prospects. A PG ratio around 1 indicates a fairly valued stock. Moving on to profitability, Kroger boasts an impressive return on equity of 24.9% and a return on assets of 5.1%. These figures reflect how efficiently Kroger generates profits from its assets and equity. Now, let's talk about earnings per share. Kroger's current EPS is $3.48. Keep an eye on this number. It's crucial for assessing the company's financial health. Looking ahead, analysts are projecting a robust 8% annual growth in EPS over the next 5 years. This could be a strong indicator of future earnings potential. Income investors, take note. Kroger offers a dividend yield of 2.57%. Even more exciting, over the past 10 years, they've grown their dividend at a staggering 13.56% compound annual growth rate. In addition, it is a company that has been increasing its dividends in the last 15 years and currently only has a payout ratio of 28.1%. That's music to the ears of dividend lovers. Now, let's talk about margins. Kroger's operating margin is 2.7%, and their profit margin is 1.7%. These numbers tell us how efficiently the company manages its costs and generates profits. Here's an interesting tidbit, folks. Kroger has experienced continuous revenue growth over the past 8 years. However, earnings have remained fairly constant at around $2 billion. This has affected Kroger's stock price, which hasn't seen significant growth in the last 5 years. It's essential to consider both revenue and earnings when evaluating a stock. Debt-wise, Kroger's debt-to-equity ratio is 1.23, while the long-term debt-to-equity ratio is 1.11. These figures show how the company balances its debt load compared to its equity. If you're a chart watcher, Kroger's average price return over the last 52 weeks is -6.92%. It's crucial to track a stock's recent performance to spot trends. Kroger's market capitalization currently stands at a whopping $32.31 billion. That's a substantial presence in the stock market. Drumroll, please. Analysts predict, on average, that Kroger's stock price will reach $51.77 in the next 12 months. That's a potential upside of 14.64% from the current price of $45.16. But hold on to your hats, because I've got my own take. I believe the fair value of Kroger should be $67.22. That's above the analysts' predictions, suggesting a potential undervaluation in the market. And there you have it, folks. A detailed breakdown of the Kroger Company's financials and what's happening in the stock market. Remember, investing involves risks, so make sure to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an episode of our analysis. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy investing.